So I have an older car that has Apple CarPlay, but it's one of those older versions that requires you to plug in your phone in order to use it. I usually don't mind this. It's nice to get your phone charged while you're driving. But I recently had a rental car with a wireless CarPlay, and to my surprise, it was actually super nice. I loved getting all this on the screen every time I hopped in the car, without even taking my phone out of my pocket. I never understood how simple it is to upgrade to a wireless CarPlay until someone on Reddit recommended one of these. It's a $40 dongle that you simply plug into your USB port, and it gives you a wireless CarPlay so you don't have to plug in your phone every time you get in the car. Simply pop it in here, and your car instantly recognizes it as a CarPlay device. After the initial setup, your phone connects automatically every time you get in the car. Click OK here a couple of times to activate it, and boom! Your phone now does all the CarPlay magic wirelessly without having to plug in. I've used this one before, so the connection was automatic. On the very first time, you'll have to go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone and connect to the dongle. This one shows up in my Bluetooth list as CarPlay Box, and depending on the device you get, the name might be something different, but the process is more or less the same. It works great most of the time, but I will say that sometimes there are days when my phone does not automatically connect, and I'll have to either turn off my Bluetooth or unplug the dongle and pop it back in to get CarPlay working. It's not quite as reliable as a wired CarPlay, but overall it's a lot more convenient. This particular model isn't available anymore, but I'll link a similar product in the description below. Check it out if you're interested in wireless CarPlay. So, it really is as easy as that. I remember looking up ways to get wireless CarPlay, and everything was at least a $200 upgrade. But these little plug-and-play devices do the same for a fraction of the price. Thanks for watching, slap the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next video.